Dr. August Dunning, and they do these nifty little beach walks talking about dry fasting. And if you're new here, if you've never dry fasted before, you're probably familiar with your computer. And when your computer has too many programs running and too complex and they're at cross purposes, your computer locks up. And what do? Sit there and wait, or you press the reset button. And that's what dry fasting is. It is the ultimate reset button for your metabolism and your health. One of the things that turns off when you press the reset button is digestion. Because when you stop eating and stop drinking, just like at night, your body goes into a healing phase. That's what it's designed to do. And in that healing phase, all sorts of wonderful things happen. Blood sugar gets eaten up, so you get rid of all your excess blood sugar. Insulin response goes down because you've got better insulin sensitivity because you have less sugar to deal with to plug into cells. After about 48 hours, you turn to fat metabolism. You run out of glycogen in the first 48 hours, and you switch to fat. And fat then operates the systems, produces the plasma glucose and all the good stuff to keep you alive. But then it's amazing what happens when you turn digestion off. Because without the energy used in digestion, that energy is being repurposed for healing. And so when you heal in a dry fast, it's because the energy is being devoted to that function. Digestion takes a lot of energy. Grinding up food, making it into chyle, getting it absorbed, getting into the bloodstream, getting it into the fat cells or into energy or whatever. It's just a lot of chemical energy. And when you take that pressure off, all the energy is devoted to repairing you, like at night when you sleep. Sleep isn't long enough, and that's why we probably only have about a 70 or 80 year lifespan. For a lot of reasons. My next book, I'm going to talk about one of the big ones. But dry fasting is great because what dry fasting does is turns off all that processing energy and switches it over to healing. And that's what you want. You want to heal. You want to become healthy. Amazing things happen when you start taking the sugar away. You start taking the food for the parasites away, and they just die off. So much grit and dirt and toxins are getting flushed out of the cells during this period that the place in between the cells is not habitable for parasites. That's toxic too. The lymphatic system is draining into your bowels, so it can't go into the bowel. Your bowel's toxic because you're getting rid of all your toxins. And so they go away, and then you end up not having any parasites, or they're called to get you to eat food you shouldn't be eating. Sugar-laden foods. So that's one of the big benefits, of course. The other is when you start doing this, you go into all kinds of repair in your nervous system and brain, where nootropic factors start being released to actually improve cognition, clean out your thinking, clean out your body and so forth, and your head. And that's a good thing. One of the best things it does is stem cell regeneration, endogenous stem cell regeneration, not just one type taken out of your bone marrow, but all the niches, all 220 niches get activated to go into repair. Dry fasting is unique in this respect because your somatic cells just lose telomeres as they replace other cells in the somatic body. Stem cells are different. Stem cells are repaired before they go into regeneration to repair all of the damage that has occurred during the year, or before, decades, so that they can end up being replicated and perfect and create and regenerate cells that are absolutely perfect replacements for the cells they're regenerating in their niches. And each niche has a specific set of histones that are exposed from the genetic code to make the compounds and cells for those organs. And that's what it does. It's the ultimate reset. I can't explain to anyone what it's really like until they actually do it. And all you guys out there that have already done it know exactly what I'm talking about. So it's like one of these things that you have to be there to understand it. You have to see it to believe it. You have to feel it to believe it. But yeah, you can believe it. It really does work. And the book, The Phoenix Protocol for Rapid Healing and Radical Life Extension, is your ticket to this game. All you have to do is pick up that book on Amazon. There's links below. and read through it. It's easy to understand. It's not all in doctorese, like most of my physician buddies do. And you can take it and learn it and share it. My idea here is to get this information out there so you can help yourself and those around you and your family. My family mostly has dry fasted. My daughter has. My sister's considering it. My mother isn't with me, but she would probably do it because she wasn't like I am. But that's the deal. You know, we have a tool, our own body, that knows how to fix itself if it's given the right conditions, and that's what dry fasting does. Dry fasting gives you the conditions that are needed to do massive repair work. It is the ultimate reset button. So if you're new here and have any questions, look below at all the videos I have that discuss dry fasting and all the different aspects of it and so forth. It'll probably answer a lot of your questions. Get the book, learn how to do it safely, learn how to do it reliably, and enter a longer life. That's the thing. Once you do this, you get rid of so many problems that would just drag you down like another albatross around your neck. Instead, you take the albatrosses away. They're albitri. Anyway, I don't monetize this channel, so please hit the like button, hit the thumbs up, you know, leave a comment, break that algorithm so this gets around to more people and can help more people doing that. And if you've dry fasted before, leave a comment on what it's done for you, because it may need what someone first coming to the site needs to see to make that leap of faith. Anyway, my name is Dr. August Dunning. I'm having a good time here at the beach, and I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.